Hello friends, what's up? Welcome to KDV Tech Tips. Today I'm gonna tell you how to crop your video in kinemaster. So let's start the video without wasting our time with short intro. Okay, welcome back again friends. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to download kinemaster app. If you don't have kinemaster app, don't worry guys, check the link in the description below from you can download kinemaster app, and also you can download from Play Store. After finishing install your kinemaster app, just this type of interface will come, and you can see here is the big plus red dot, and click here, and this type of this type of interface will come. And from here you have to select ratio, select the aspect ratio of the project, and here is the 3 ratio. You can see 16:9, this is for your YouTube, and 9:16, this is for your TikTok videos, and 1:1, this is for your Instagram and Facebook. So we are making this video for our YouTube, so choose 16:9 ratio. And after choosing this type of interface will come, and here is you can see many options, and we just have to tap here on media, and you have to choose background. And after choosing background, choose any random background. I want to choose this, so click here and then just extend it. After finishing this, just click OK and go to layer, go to media, and choose your video, which video we want to crop. So I want to choose this video, and then click here and click again your video. Just click and this type of interface will come, and you can see here is the option cropping. So from here just tap here, and then you can crop your video from here. Then click OK, then extend your video. This is the process you can crop your video guys. So you can download kinemaster from Play Store guys. So this is the process, and if you want to full screen, just click here, and you can see here is the full screen option, and you can make your video full screen. So this is the way you can crop your video. And after finishing this, you can see here is the option, just click here and your video, export your video, and here is the menu quality. You have to choose HD 720p and 24 cinema, this is for your YouTube, and just export video. Okay guys, this is the process you can crop your video in kinemaster. So thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon. See you soon, see you in the next video. Take care. Caught in the crossfire.